Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom, where we uncover the rarest creatures on our planet. These creatures, often hidden away in the most remote corners of the globe, face an uncertain future. Join me as we venture into the heart of the wild and shine a light on these extraordinary animals, reminding ourselves of the importance of conservation. Before we meet our rare creatures, let's understand what makes an animal rare, and why their existence is vital to our ecosystems. Natural events can decimate populations, leaving behind only a fragile few. However, it is the hand of man that often tips the scales from vulnerable to critically endangered. Habitat destruction driven by our need for resources is a significant contributor to the decline of many species. The illegal wildlife trade, a cruel practice, pushes animals closer to extinction. Every species plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life, and the loss of one can disrupt ecosystems. Our journey begins in the Gulf of California, home to the Vakita, the world's smallest porpoise, and one of its most endangered. With its distinctive dark rings around its eyes and a perpetually upturned mouth, the Vakita has a naturally endearing appearance. Growing no larger than 5 feet, they are incredibly elusive, spending much of their lives hidden beneath the waves. This limited habitat, coupled with their small population size, makes them incredibly vulnerable to threats, primarily entanglement in fishing gear. Gill nets designed to trap fish often ensnare vaquitas as bycatch. Despite efforts to ban certain types of gill nets, illegal fishing continues to pose a significant threat. With fewer than 10 individuals remaining, time is running out for this critically endangered porpoise. Javan Rhino, a solitary sentinel. We journey to the dense rainforests of Java in Indonesia, home to the Javan Rhino. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, the Javan Rhino is now critically endangered. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation, has been the main driver of their decline. Unlike their African counterparts, Javan rhinos have only one horn, making them a target for poachers. Today, fewer than 75 Javan rhinos survive in the wild, all confined to a single national park in Java. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their remaining habitat and combat poaching. Amore Leopard, ghost of the Far East. Our search takes us to the far eastern reaches of Russia, home to the Amore Leopard. With its thick, luxurious coat, the Amore Leopard is a master of camouflage. Once found throughout the Korean peninsula and northeastern China, the Amore Leopard's range has shrunk dramatically due to habitat loss. As forests are cleared, these leopards are forced into smaller territories, leading to increased competition for resources. The illegal wildlife trade poses another significant threat to the Amore Leopard. Today, fewer than 100 Amore Leopards remain in the wild. Conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration, are underway to protect this critically endangered feline. Northern white rhino, a race against time. Our journey culminates on the dusty plains of Africa, home to the northern white rhino. The last remaining male northern white rhino died in 2018, leaving behind only 2 females. The northern white rhino's decline is a harrowing tale of human greed and indifference. Rampant poaching for their horns decimated their populations. Today, the fate of the northern white rhino rests in the hands of scientists working to bring this creature back from the brink. Advanced reproductive technologies, such as in vitro fertilization, offer a glimmer of hope. The fight to save the northern white rhino is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to protecting vulnerable creatures. Our shared responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We've encountered just a handful of the rarest animals on our planet, each facing an uncertain future. By supporting conservation organizations and making conscious choices, we can make a difference. Let's work together to create a future where both wildlife and humans can thrive.